Bei 9 Sleeping Dogs Folge 15. Ne, 16. Heute geht's frisch und munter weiter. Direkt zur Revanche, Rache. Drogen hat's ja vor lang. Nee, da jetzt hin. Wenn ich kämpfe, komme ich auf den linken Stick und dann wird mir was anderes angezeigt.
I'm telling everybody back home about this.
What the fuck's going on? Dog Eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. COR runs the operation. Put that hunk Gaton in the shallow grave. Hey, don't turn my yeah. It's over.
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Sewell alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Eben ein Tresor, hoffentlich kann ich auch in den, dann kann ich auch den Raum so rein. Ja, später was in Konst Juli steigt. Das Fahrzeug der Wortes.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun.
Fahren.
You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go.
What are you trying to do?
Wenn sie sich nicht an Verkehrsregeln halten, Leute.
Oh, we're going in.
Doch eher mal
This is Dog Eyes' biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a
Nicht
fight.
vorher fahren wir vorne ranfahren.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun and use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop.
Weil die Tage
As
noch
far as I'm
halten.
concerned.
So mal nur zu machen, wenn
One
die fertig
test
sind.
that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eyes' drug dealers to prove it? All right. It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door.
Fertig.
I'll look around. You wait for my signal to
K-Punkte
attack.
verletzt, die Unschuldige sinkt ihre Punktzahl. Ja, kann ich ja wieder aufholen. Entry other side, personnel only.
I know him. Oh, Winston's fucking get him.
Ich habe bis jetzt noch keinen Schaden. Kunden. Oh ja. Alter. Ringer, verzichten Sie bei Ringen auf Griffe und bekämpfen Sie mit schweren Schlägen. Alter, wie die durch die Gegend fliegen. Und die nächsten. Kann ich hier reinschmeißen? Gucken. Tatsache. So geht das. Also hoch müssen wir gut. Ja, jetzt habe ich keine Munition mehr. Nee. Voll Kopfschuss. Chihuahua finden.
Siwa, you're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive! Stop! Alright, light it up! Oh, come on!
Okay. Dio war erwischen. Ja, das soll ja Leben sein. Deswegen schieße ich nicht auf den.
Shit! Guck, guys, out away! It's really burning! Run! Run!
Nee, das kriegt er nicht mehr hin. Ich töte ihn.
Guys, help me! Fuck you! What are you doing? Let go of me! You're fucking with the wrong people! Don't move! Shit! I said don't move!
Fucking cops.
Let go of me! Ah! Fuck!
Mist. Sie bauen, Sio war unverletzt. Sio war erwischen. Boah, Karen halten sie in der Nähe, das zieht angedrückt und sie an, wenn sich der Parfüm färbt. Ah, okay, jetzt weiß ich, wie jetzt weiß ich das wenigstens wieder. Weizsatzreich.
Are you fucking done?
Die Kopfabhängig.
Okay, I'm done.
Stuntman. Erfolgreich ein Fahrzeug gekapert. Ah, das geht auch bei normalen Fahrzeugen. Mann.
What are you doing?
Shut up. You know what you just
Sie
did?
war zu Winston
You're
in den
dead. You're
Bundesdepot.
dead.
Look, I'm not afraid of dog eyes.
Dog eyes? Motherfucker, I get paid by dog eyes, but all my product goes to Big Smile Lee. You wanna fuck with him?
Ah, geht doch
just
einfach mal
did.
weg.
You dumb bastards got any idea how badly this is going to fuck things?
Hey, ask me if I care.
My product is what makes the whole triad work.
I don't give a shit about your product. And you keep talking about it, I'm liable to forget I promised to bring you in alive.
What the hell is wrong with you?
You know what? I'm sick of listening to you.
So drop me off with some real gangsters.
Well, you'll get to meet a few.
Damn. Used to be this organization knew what it was doing. Now it's That was fucking crazy! Siwa. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Mission abgeschlossen, Top-Erfahrung. So viel dazu. Revanche abgeschlossen. Stufe 3. Über den Upgrades. Da habe ich bei oder Überraschungsweise sehen sie einen Gegner an und drücken hinter ihn zu lange. Das ist nämlich. Das war's für diese Folge. Bis zur nächsten Folge. Ciao.